Hey my hustlers, today I'll be showing y'all how to replace the armrest on a 430i Grand Coupe BMW. As y'all see, the old one is tearing apart, so we're going to start by removing the cover. Once the cover comes off, it should look something like this, and now we're just going to focus on that spring and we're going to push it towards you and it should come right off. Then with the pliers, we're going to remove these metal things holding the spring so that way we can take the spring off. Make sure when we're doing so that you are pushing the pliers towards the screwdriver and the screwdriver towards the pliers. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. And then we're just going to pull them with the pliers. Once we take both sides off, the spring should come out, and so should the old armrest. Just wiggle it a little bit and it should come right off. Now we're going to put the new one on and it should fall in place. Now we're going to put the spring back on as well as the metal sticks holding it. And they should slide on just like that. And then we're going to do the other side as well. And then we're just going to put pressure with the screwdriver. And the other side we had to use the pliers to apply more pressure. Now just get someone to help you put the spring back into place because it is a little tough, and then once you do, it should look something like this. Then we're just going to get the spring edges and put them back into their holders, and you should have a working armrest. Now we're just going to put the cover, and that is it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye my hustlers.